Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're painting our Yamaha R6 rear wheel with yet another color from Tropical Glitz and finishing it off with 2K Max Clear Glamour. Let's go. As you can see, I already prepped this rear wheel and I'm ready to spray paint this bad boy in the cosmic blue. This color is popped so much glitter on this thing. You guys have to see this when I'm all done. So I'm gonna do 5 coats on this thing. Yes, with 2 cans, 5 coats, 2 cans, and I'm gonna do this in fast forward mode so you can see the end result. You guys gotta see this. Just enjoy the music and tell me what you think in the comments when everything's all said and done. I don't know if this is picking up, but boy oh boy, that is sparkles. Finished product. And this is even without the gloss. Wow. Now, 2K Clear Glamour. Let's go. The sparkles on this thing. Wow, and there you go, the finished product. I'm happy with it. I saved myself a bunch of money by just doing it myself, DIY. It looks pretty good. And there you go. Thanks for watching. Nick Shanks for you. Appreciate you. Drop a like. See you on the next one.